Here's how to install the ERA300 tilt and swivel wall mount. First, let's check what's in the box. 2 raw plugs, 2 screw covers, 2 wall screws, 4 M5 screws, 1 wall mount, 1 tilt and swivel mechanism, 1 speaker mount, and an Allen key. Here are the tools needed for this job. Now, let me explain how to mark and drill on different wall types. Start by using the spirit level to check the wall mount's alignment. Then, mark the screw holes as preparations for drilling. This is how to drill on different wall types, from drywall, wood stud plyboard, and concrete wall. You may pause the video at any point to better understand how to drill your wall. Now let's proceed with installing the tilt and swivel mount and the speaker. First, secure the wall mount with the provided wall screws. Next, attach the tilt and swivel mechanisms to the wall mount. Pull the mechanism down to lock it in place. Attach the speaker mount to the tilt and swivel mechanism. Then lock in place using the provided M5 screws. Cover the screws with the provided screw caps. Next, place the power cable in position on the speaker mount. Attach the speaker to the power cable, then put it on top of the speaker mount. After that, lock the speaker in place using the remaining M5 screws. You can tilt and swivel your speaker to your preferred angle at this point. Finally, attach the tilt and swivel mechanism's bottom cover. And you're done.